Wake up each day and be thankful for your life. Good morning, my dear students and viewers. I am your English teacher of class 8 and my name is Pavitra Pokhrel. How are you today? I hope you all are great. So, today we are in Unit 5. We are supposed to be in Unit 4, but due to some changes in curriculum, we are now in Unit 5. In Unit 5, we are in festivals. Today, we are going to learn about festivals. I am going to tell you all about festivals. As you all know, in Nepal, in our country, we enjoy many festivals. Festivals of Nepal show rich traditional and culture. They make us feel united. In Nepal, we have many religious festivals such as Deepavali, Tej, Janai Purnima, Janmashtami, etc. And among them, Holi is one of the religious festival of Hindus. Today, I am going to tell you all about Holi. And before I start, I like to go with the word meanings. Just have a look in the slide. First word is victory. V-I-C-T-O-R-Y, victory. A situation in which someone wins a game, election or battle. Evil, moral badness, wickedness, malevolence, the forces or behaviors that. Ceremony, C-E-R-E-M-O-N-Y, ceremony, a ritual with religious significance or a formal religious or public occasion. Scade, S-C-R-E-D, scade, relating to God or religion. Now the next, smeared, S-M-E-A-R-E-D, smeared, to spread a substance, especially one that colors or is dirty across a surface by rubbing. Now next we have traditional, T-R-A-D-I-T-I-O-N-A-L, traditional, a part of culture that is passed from person to person or generation to generation. Now the next, mythical, legendary or a traditional story. Reveal, R-E-V-E-A-L, reveal, unfold, publish, uncover. Now the next, devotee, D-E-V-O-T-E, devotee, disciple, follower, supporter. Now number 10, atheist, A-T-H-E-I-S-T, atheist, a person who has no belief in any deity or disbeliever in God. In number 11, frolic, F-R-O-L-I-C, frolic, merry, joyous. Number 12, anxieties, A-N-X-I-E-T-I-E-S, anxieties, uneasiness, trouble, worry. Now we have Holi in number 13, H-O-L-I, a Hindu festival. In this H-O-L-I, L-I is a Hindu festival, children. And in number 14, we have same pronunciation but the spelling is different and meaning is different. H-O-L-Y, Holi. And the meaning is dedicated to a religious purpose or a god. Now in number 15, backfired, came back. So, this were the meanings, children, so that it will easy for you all to understand the lesson. Now, I like to show you some pictures. Can you see, children? You must be looking at these pictures, and the first picture is about Holi. They are putting colors to one another. Yes, that is smeared. Smeared means putting color. They are enjoying the colors. Now, the next, Holika. In this Holi, there are two stories associated with this festival, children, and one is Holika. Okay, Holika word originates from, sorry children, Holi word originates from Holika, children. Now, the next, now we have one more story about Holi, that is Putana. Here in this story also, Lord Krishna, for Lord Krishna, Putana tries to kill. So, about detail we will go in the text. Okay, so now let us begin, children. Before I start, even children, you all will be ready with your books and please read with me. Holi is the festival of color. It is one of the most beautiful festivals in Hindu culture. It is a joyful festival celebrating the victory of good over evil. This festival is generally celebrated the victory of good over evil. This festival is generally celebrated in the month of February or early March. People from Tarai celebrate it a day later with joy and ceremony. Children, in this para, what it tries to say is that Holi is very important festival and most beautiful festival. Why it is most beautiful festival, children? Because in this festival, we people, our relatives, our friends gather together. They play together, they forgive each other, and they will forget their sorrow. That is why this festival is very important. And this festival is usually in the month of February or March, and this is according to English calendar, children, not in Nepali calendar. February or early March is according to English calendar, and Holi is specially celebrated by Hindu people. Though it is celebrated by Hindu people, but nowadays other religious people also join with Hindu. They have the feeling of unity. They also enjoy in this festival. And one more thing, in Nepal, in our country, Holi is celebrated for 2 days. The hilly region who live in hilly, they celebrate earlier than Tarai. Tarai means it is a plain region. Okay? They celebrate earlier than the Tarai. Who? Hilly region people. And one more important thing is that this is the festival of victory of good over evil. That means good always wins over evil, bad. In the time of gods also, children, there were good people and bad people in the time of God also, and good people were gods and bad people were demons, evils, and at that time also they used to fight and gods used to win. Good thing used to always good. So, right in today's generation also, children, we have to follow the same thing. We should be good. Truth is truth, though truth comes late, but it is true. It is a truth. We can't hide the truth. I know you all must be thinking, no, it does. If you want to hide the truth, it will not come in front. But it takes a time. But one day, truth comes and truth people will win. So this festival is the symbol of this also, children. Okay. Now next para, children. Fagu is another name for Holi. Fagu means the skein red powder. It is mostly celebrated on the full moon called Fagu Purnima. People play with different colors on this day. It is usually celebrated for a week in the Tarai. However, it is only the last day that all people celebrate with colors. People can be seen going round the streets either on foot or on some vehicles with a variety of colors smeared over their face and body. So, in this para, what it means to say as we have another name also for Holi. What is that another name? That is Fagu. And what's the meaning of Fagu? It's a skein red powder. Skein means it's a holy, okay, pavitra. And skein red powder means it's a color. Especially in Holi, we use red color. Of course, we use many other colors also like green, yellow, blue, many more colors. We play with variety of colors, but a special color is red. That is what is called skein red powder. It is mostly celebrated on the full moon. What's the meaning of full moon, children? As you all know, we have three phases of moon. One is crescent, half and full. And on full moon day, we celebrate Holi on Purnima day. Okay, that is a full moon day, not half, not crescent, on full moon day. So now the next is, as we all know, we play with many different colors. Yes, we enjoy a lot. People smade means they rub the colors on their faces. Yes, and they enjoy by visiting with their friends, by gathering, and people move here and there on their foot, on their vehicles, on their bike, on their bicycles, whatever they have. So this is how they enjoy the Holi. And children, this Holi is mostly enjoyed by the young people, children, and youth people. They roam here and there, and in some communities they even organize an entertainment program, like there will be a DJ program. They play, they dance. So this is how they enjoy in Holi. In this way they enjoy in Holi. Now the next, children. During this festival, family members and friends get together and celebrate the occasion with a lot of merrymaking. It is also an outburst or youthful excitement, throwing colors and water balloons, lolas at each other. So yeah, what it means to say that in this festival, as I told you all, many family members, they come in our houses. They may keep a party at home, and they enjoy. Merrymaking means it's a lot of fun. They cook delicious food. They enjoy by singing, by playing with colors. And here one more is an outburst, means full masti children, just entertainment. They forget their all sorrow, just they enjoy. And they play with the water balloons, that is Lola's children. I know you all must know already Lola's. Lola's is a small balloon filled with the water and we throw at one another. It is a small in size, full with water. So, now next. There is a traditional belief behind the celebration of Holi. The festival Holi comes from the name of mythical demon Holika. The myth about Holi reveals that Holika and Hiranyakashipu were sister and brother. Hiranyakashipu had a son called Prahlad. He was a strong devotee of Lord Vishnu. However, Hiranyakashipu had a son called Prahlad. He was strong devotee of Lord Vishnu. However, Hiranyakashipu was an atheist king and planned to kill his son Prahlad. He asked for the help of his sister Holika, but their attempts always failed since Lord Vishnu protected Prahlad. So, here children, we have the story of Holika. Holika is the sister of Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu was a demon king. He used to think that he was only great in the world. And he demanded all the people to public that pray only for him, worship only him, not others. He thinks that he is a great. But he has his son and his name is Prahlad. And he was a devotee of Lord Vishnu. He used to follow Lord Vishnu. And he did not listen to his father Hiranyakashipu. And he kept on praying Lord Vishnu. And as you all know, this Hiranyakashipu king was very arrogant. He was bad. He didn't even want his son also to follow Lord Vishnu, and he did not like that. So, he started punishing him and even he tried to kill him. Many times he tried, but he was not success. And at the last moment, he took the help of his sister Holika. And children, Holika was having some power that any fire can't burn her. She can sit in the fire, but fire will not harm to her. So, Hiranyakashipu requested to Holika that please take Prahlad on your lap and sit in the fire. And Holika did that. But do you know what happens? She takes the Prahlad in her lap and she sits in the fire. But fire will not harm Prahlad. Opposite happens. In that fire, Holika herself burned and she died. And that is why we celebrate in the name of Holika also. The Holika is burned in that fire, and that is why this festival name also Holi. So, this is how Prahlad was saved. He was a good. He was doing for good thing, and whereas his father Hiranyakashipu, he was bad. So, that is why this festival is victory of good over evil. There are more, but I will stop here only. Okay. Now, the next. According to another story from Puranas and the Bhagavad Gita, Kansa sent a female demon named Putana to kill his nephew Lord Krishna. Taking the form of root, Putana went to Vrindavan. The child Lord Krishna was growing up there. She tried to breastfeed him with her poisonous milk, but the attempt backfired and she was killed. Her body was born on the night of Holi, so some considered Holi as the festival of fire. So, we have one more story, that is about Lord Krishna and Putana. And you all must be knowing, you must have heard the name of Kansh. Kansh is the mama of Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is Bhanja and Kansh is mama. I am using here Nepali word. Okay. This Kansh was very rude, even he was demon, even he was bad. And one day he heard that his own nephew will kill him when his nephew will grow up. And he don't want to be that. So, he tries to kill Lord Krishna when he was a baby. To kill him, he sent a demon, that is Putana. She goes to Vrindavans and she carries Lord Krishna and she moves far away from Lord Krishna's home and she tries to feed with her poisonous milk. There also opposite it happens. Lord Krishna will save, he is not harmed. That poisonous milk did not affect. And what happens? Putana dies and Lord Krishna is saved. So, here also good wins over evil, and that is why also it is believed that this Holi is the festival of fire. So, this in this Holi, there are two stories, that is Hiranyakashipu, Prahalad and Holika, and in second, that is Lord Krishna and Putana Kansh. So, there were the two stories. And now, the next last para, children. Holi is a time for fun and frolic for everyone. It is the time when one forgets worldly anxieties and just enjoys the finer things in life. So, the last is, as I told, Holi is for fun, we enjoy and we forget all our pain, our sadness, and we forget whatever we have done with others and we forgive others. At that time, we forget our jealousy also, and we forgive for our enemy also, and we enjoy together. And one more thing, children, do you play Holi with many different colors? If yes, children, make sure and be careful that you use only herbal colors, so that it may not affect to your skin. And one more thing, make sure that colors may not go to your eyes. So, in enjoying time, we have to careful with the colors also. So, this is the end of our Holi festival. It is the message of victory of good over evil. And we are very near of our class also. It's time to say goodbye, take care, be safe at home, and please read at home. There are exercises, match the meaning, very easy. I have already told you the meanings, and there are question answers. All the answers are in the text. It will be